Alright, we're going to do a quick opening here of the TDI pocket shrink by K-bar. Not sponsored, just ordered this. Okay, so long time ago, basically, I had a knife that had a similar loop like this, not quite the same. And it was my favorite knife for a very long time until one day I accidentally brought it to the airport and had to throw it away. And I was looking for a replacement ever since, and I can never find quite the same one. This is about as close as it comes, but I can already tell it's not near as good as the other one I had. This one's pretty straightforward. Comes with a belt clip sheath. That can't be right. That's horrible retention. Alright. Oh. There you go. So when it comes in, you got to oh no, is that just to switch the belt clip to the other side? Or just a spare one in case you lose the screw when you're switching it? There we go. Okay. So it actually has quite good retention. You put it in, there's kind of like just setting it in, and then there's pushing it, and then pushing it all the way. And it locks in pretty good there. So it's not coming out, yeah. It's got very good retention. The photo I saw online, the blade part of it looked bigger than it is. And even looking at the camera, as I'm recording this, it appears to be bigger than it is. So I don't know, maybe it's just something about the size or shape of this thing, but it doesn't photograph in video quite as well. There's no way for me to translate that, of course, but when you get it, you'll see the amount of this that is blade compared to the handle just looks slightly less when you're looking at it in person. I mean, you can tell it's obviously a little stubby, but yeah, there you go. Anyway, it feels strong. It's decent enough. Handle's not that great, to be honest. You've got the plastic here, which I've been outside setting stuff up all day, so I'm sweating a little bit, and you can feel it. It slides with sweat. The rest of the metal, it's not quite 90-degree angles, just about, but I don't know. It's not the most comfortable thing in the world. It'll be decent enough. I won't return it, but it wasn't quite the replacement I was looking for. But if you want a knife with a loop on it, it'll be fun. Anyway, that's it. Comes with an extra screw. If you want, you can take this off, move it to the other side. You don't need the extra screw. That's just in case you lose them. And there you go. So, quick update. The belt clip itself is so weak that it doesn't hold up to the retention. You can't get it out. You can't just pull the knife out. You'll pull the whole thing off, or you'll have to hold onto that to get it out. So that is one disadvantage.